Welcome back. We'll continue with the exercises. But before starting, you all are going to take your notebook and a pencil. Note down all the words given on the screen as it is. Then we will start. Come on, bring your notebook and pencil and note down all these words. Be quick, come on, fast. Because we have to start with this activity. It is very interesting. You will enjoy this activity. Come on, be quick. Are you ready? With your notebook and pencil? Very good. So today's our activity is listening skill. What is it? Listening skill. Now you may be thinking, what is listening skill? No, you may be thinking, no, what is this listening skill? Don't know, no, what is listening skill? I will tell you. Listening skill means you have to listen to your teacher very carefully. You have to listen to your teacher very carefully and write the answer. Okay? Teacher will tell you something and that you have to listen very carefully. Okay? Teacher will repeat the question 3 times. So first you have to listen first and then you have to write the answer. Now I'll read what is there on the screen. Okay. Listen to the words carefully. Circle the words you hear. Again I am repeating. Listen to the words carefully. Circle the words you hear. Now can you see here 4 numbers are given. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In number 1, A and B. 2 words are given. Again number 2, A and B. 2 words are given. Number 3 also A and B. 2 words. Number 4, A and B. Again 2 words. So I'll read out the words. What are the words given? Just you see. Okay. Number 1, A is out. B is owl. Number 2, A is grandma. B is grandpa. Number 3, A is she and B is he. Number 4, A is tree and B is free. Okay, got it? I think all have noted down these words, right? Now, what I am going to do, you know? I am going to, from number 1, A and B, I am going to read out any one word. Okay? You have to first see only one question. Now number 1, A and B. Only you have to see that words. Don't go to second one, right? Number 1, A and B. Now from these 2 words, I'll be saying any one word. And that word you have to listen very carefully. I'll repeat the words 3 times. Listen very carefully and that word only you have to circle. Understood? So shall we start? Children, you will all enjoy this activity. Okay? Now see number 1. What is number 1? A is out and B is owl. A is out, B is owl. I am going to read out any one word. Okay? And you are going to circle only that word. For that you need to listen carefully, right? Okay. Let us start. Owl. 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 Did you circle the correct word? Now I will circle that word. Now just see whether your answer is right or not. Come on, tell me your answer is right. Yes, very good. Now we'll go to the next question. Number 2. A is grandma and B is grandpa. Again you listen carefully and then circle the words. Okay, word. Grandma, grandma, grandma. Did you all circle? No cheating. Otherwise, what will you do? After teacher circles the correct answer, then you will do that work. That is wrong, children. Okay. So now only you circle the word. Okay. Very good. I told grandma. So, is your answer right? See, check. Then put a tick. If your answer is right, put a tick. Good. Now we'll go to the next question. Question number 3. A is she and B is he. Again listen carefully. Okay. She, she, she. Come on, circle the correct answer. Yes, circle the correct answer. Did you all circle? Very good. She, see. Now again, if your answer is right, put a tick. And if your answer is wrong, put a cross. Don't do cheating. Okay. Now we'll go to the next number. Number 4. A is tree, B is free. Okay, are you ready? Free, free, free. Come on, circle fast. Be quick. Finished? Okay. See whether your answer is right or not. Right? Very good. Good, children. Now, we are going to go to the next. Some more questions are there. Okay? Now here more questions. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay? 5 more questions. Now, number 5, again A and B. That A is 5. A is me, B is B. Me, B. 6th number, A is fall, B is call. Fall, call. Okay. Number 7 is A is bad, B is dad. Bad, dad. Number 8 is A is hut, B is cut. Hut, cut. Number 9, A is house, B is mouse. House, mouse. So again we are going to start. Note down all these words. Be quick. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Note down these words which you can see on the screen. Note down as it is. Be quick, children. Very good. Very good. So, are you all ready? Enjoying, na? Good. So, shall we start? Okay. Now, number 5, A is me, B is B. So, again I'll repeat the word 3 times. Listen and then circle the correct word. Okay? Mm, me, me, me. Did you all circle? Come on. Okay, now you will check the answer. Yes, your answer is correct. Is right? Good. Then what will you do? Put a small tick. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. Question number 6. A is fall, B is call. Okay. Call, call, call. Come on, circle. Be quick. At once you should start. Now check your answer. See whether your answer is right or not. Right? Put a tick. Very good. Now number 7. A is bad, B is dad. Okay. Bad, bad, bad. Come on, circle fast. Now check your answer. Did you get the correct answer? Did you circle the correct word? Okay, then put a tick. Very good. Now number 8. A is hut, B is cut. Ready? Hut, hut, hut. Circle. Now check your answer. Check your answer. See whether your answer is correct or not. Did you circle the correct word? Yes, very good. Put a tick. Good. Now we'll go to the next question. Number 9. A is house, B is mouse. House and mouse. Now listen carefully. Mouse, mouse, mouse. Over? Did you circle? Okay. Did you all get the correct answer? Now if you have got all the answer right, now what will you do? You are going to draw a smiley. Okay, smiling face. I'll show you how to draw. Or you can draw a cat also. See, cat. What you're going to draw? A cat. Okay, if all the answers are right, then you draw cat, or you can draw a smiling face. See, like this. Nice smiling face. Okay, you can draw better than me, right? Smiling face. Okay. So if you got all the answer, give a big clap. Now children, today we have ended with textbook activities. You will note down all the activities in your notebook and learn. Okay? Before ending with this period, we'll do reading of lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 on the coconut tree. This is Grandma's house. She lives in a big house. There is a coconut tree. Raju, don't climb the tree. Raju does not listen to grandma. He climbs the tree. Third, a coconut falls on the ground. Raju starts crying in fear. Grandma comes out. There's a monkey on the tree. Raju looks at the monkey and smiles. So, children, we are ended with this period. We'll meet in the next period. Thank you. Have a good day.